In this video, we'll be air frying a fish with ginger and spring onions. First, fold 1.5 meters of baking paper in half. We'll be using 450 grams of rockling fish fillet, or as an equivalent, you could use firm white fish. Place the fish in the middle of the baking paper and rub half a teaspoon of salt on it. Pour 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and then 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Sprinkle on 1.5 tablespoons of sliced ginger and 2 stalks of chopped spring onion. Keep a handful for the garnish. Fold the baking paper in half and enclose the wrapping by making small overlaps and turning it into a small parcel. Ensure there is no gaps where sauce can escape. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 13 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, heat up 4 to 5 tablespoons of peanut or avocado oil until smoking point. Once the fish is done, use tongs and a spatula to remove the parcel and prevent it from breaking. Serve it with rice and some greens. Cut the parcel open and beware of hot steam. Garnish the fish with the remaining spring onion and ginger. If you would like, add 1 finely cut chili. Pour your hot oil over the garnish. The smell of the oil mixed with the garnish is really great. Mix with some sauce and enjoy. It tastes as good as any local Chinese restaurant. The fish was cooked well and had a great texture. Try it, you might like it.